Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Anno 117 Pax Romana Multiplayer Error, TRAJAN-131661-01 and TRAJAN-120913-01, also known as the Desync error on PC. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and look for Anno 117 Pax Romana. Right-click the game and select Properties. On the left side, click Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan and repair any corrupted or missing game files. This can fix version mismatches that cause multiplayer desyncs. Wait for the process to finish, then try joining a multiplayer match again. Solution 2. If the Trajan desync error still appears, go to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following command and press Enter: ipconfig/flush DNS. Once that finishes, type this second command, netsh winsock reset, press Enter again. These commands refresh your DNS cache and reset your network sockets. Now restart your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.